Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Allstate Drivewise for driving discount tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for the Allstate Drivewise login page. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Type your email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you'd like the browser to remember your login information, check the box labeled Remember Me. After ensuring your credentials are correct, if your information is accurate, you will be directed to your Drivewise account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, make sure to verify your email and password for errors. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. You'll be guided through the steps to reset your password. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Here, you can track your driving habits and any potential discounts available. Explore the different sections to maximize your savings through Drivewise. Make sure to log out after you finish your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.